Hello friends, Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to her channel with the most demanded recipe on the channel. There is no Punjabi recipe more popular than the yummiest combination of sarson ka saag and makki ki roti. If you are looking for an authentic sarson ka saag recipe in English, then here's presenting mom-made makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. Easy, though time-consuming, sarson ka saag pleases one and all in Punjab. Punjabi villages are the stakeholders of this authentic recipe as they grow their own mustard and spinach greens and then let the saag simmer on low heat in mud chullahas until it changes colors and turn gooey and paste-like. The aroma of sarson ka saag is quite different from all other saags and greens. Punjabis are crazy for their winter special recipe of sarson ka saag and makki ki roti. To begin with, you will need to clean mustard greens. There's a trick to doing that. My dad here shows how to remove the waxy part from the stem so the saag becomes tender upon cooking. If you ignore this step, then the mustard stem will remain hard and not get pureed easily. That might spoil the whole taste of your saag. Remember, making sarson ka saag is a labor of love. Similarly for palak, do the same. Watch Dad clear away the waxy part from spinach greens. You may call it thread as well, and you want to remove it from your greens. Separate bathu or bathua leaves from stem. Similarly, pluck methi leaves. Wash all greens thoroughly. My mom does this process in a big bucket because it requires a lot of cleaning. Then she waters the plants with this water. Once the cleaning job is complete, let's move to the preparation process of sarson da saag recipe. Take a huge pressure cooker, add water to it, let it come to a boil. Next, drop the saag. Now we will add garlic cloves and ginger, salt. Pressure cook for 5 to 6 whistles on high and then let the saag simmer for at least 40 to 60 minutes. We prefer cooking it for at least an hour on low flame, and in Punjabi villages they cook the saag for the whole night on chullahas. When the saag is cooked, it's time to puree it with a blender. This is how your saag should look like. Mom packed it for me for my journey back home. We are still not done. Let's temper the saag now. The authentic sarson ka saag tempering uses ghee. Once the ghee is hot, drop in chopped garlic and grated ginger. Remember, the more the garlic, the tastier the saag becomes. You do not need to fry it a lot. Now add chopped onion and cook. No need to brown onion, we just want to remove its raw taste. That's it. Now add tomato puree and cook the masala together. Drop in green chili as well. The more the chili, the tastier the sarson ka saag. Now add the saag. I have taken only a little amount of it from the 2 kg prepared initially. Add 2 tablespoons of makki ka atta to the saag. Dad gave it to me, and in Punjab we get the best sweetest makki ka atta which is non-GMO. If you do not have cornmeal flour, you may use whole wheat atta instead. Mix and then add salt. Check how much is required. You may add more green chilies chopped and even red chili powder. Enjoy sarson ka saag with makki ki roti and a dollop of ghee or butter. You may even pair sarson da saag with plain ajwain parathas, and mom packed these for me. Please continue to support Ravneet Bhalla and her innovative healthy recipes. Take care until we meet next. Bye bye.